So basically, your WIX site is a collection of many sections, like this a header section, and this untitled section, and then this promotional section, and so on. And then inside the section, there are image like this, text, or a video like this one, and the design that we call strip like this. And then to shorten page length and width, you need to shorten or minimize your section or your strip like this. The first one, to shorten the page length, you can just choose any specific section that you want to reduce the length or the height. For example, I want to remove this white blank page like this at the top and at the bottom. And then to remove the blank page at the bottom, you can just click on the section and then choose this two arrow facing up and down and then drag it to the top, and that's it. And then to remove this one at the top of the section, what you want to do is you want to move all the design at the bottom of the section to the top first. So for example, like this, I can just remove my strip to the top, and then the blank space at the bottom, I can just remove it by dragging this under my section. And there you go. The second one, to shorten the page width, you can just choose any specific strip. So you cannot actually reduce or minimize the width of the section like this promotional section. I cannot just reduce it from here to here, but I can reduce the strip. So what you can do, just click on the strip and then choose this two arrow facing left and right named stretch. Just click that. And then on the stretch strip, just click on the page right here. And then the strip will automatically be shortened. That's the only way to reduce the strip width. I know it's not practical for some of you, but this is the only way. And that's how to shorten page length, height, and width on WIX. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.